Well, a stranger lying on a barroom floor had drunk so much he could drink no more. And so he fell asleep with a troubled brain to dream that he rode on a downbound train. Yeah, the engine with murderous blood was damp, brilliantly lit by a brimstone lamp. And if for fuel was shovel and bones, and the furnace rang with 1,000 girls. Yeah, the boiler was filled with lager beer. The devil himself, he was the engineer. The passengers were most a motley crew. Some were born and others he knew. Rich men in broadcloth, beggars in rags, handsome young ladies and wicked old hags, yeah. As the train rushed on at a terrible pace, sulphurous fumes scorched their hands and face. As faster and faster that engine flew, wilder and wilder the country grew. Louder and louder the thunder crashed, brighter and brighter the lightning flashed. When out of the distance there came such a yell, "Aha!" said the devil, "we're nearing home." Oh, how the passengers shrieked with pain, begged old Satan to stop that train. Now the drunkard awoke with an angry cry, his clothes wet with sweat and his hair standing high. He got on his knees on that barroom floor, and he prayed a prayer like never before. And his fervent prayers were not in vain, for he never rode that down